Welcome to this new video. Today, we'll discuss a comprehensive guide to implementing an AI-powered multi-agent system, MAS, for renewable energy due diligence. The goal is to provide you with a clear and concise roadmap for integrating this advanced technology into your operations. We know that implementing new technologies can raise concerns about time, cost, and the expertise required. Our goal is to clarify this process, demonstrating that it is a strategic and achievable investment. Throughout this video, we'll cover the key implementation phases, estimated timelines, associated costs, and most importantly, the value proposition that an SMA can bring to your company. Want to discover how multi-agent AI can transform due diligence? Implementing a multi-agent system is a structured and methodical process, not a leap into the dark. It requires careful planning and disciplined execution to ensure success. We've identified 6 key phases that will guide your project from start to finish. The first phase is diagnostics. Here, we focus on thoroughly understanding your current processes, the quality and availability of your data, and your specific automation goals. This is essential to establishing a solid foundation for future development. The second phase is data collection and cleaning. This step is absolutely crucial for the functionality and accuracy of any SMA. High-quality data is the backbone of an intelligent and efficient system. Next, we enter the agent development phase. In this stage, we create the intelligent components of the system, designing each agent to perform specific functions and collaborate with each other. This is where artificial intelligence comes to life. The fourth phase is the pilot test. We validate the system in a controlled environment, using real-world data to ensure the SMA works as expected and meets the defined objectives. This stage allows for adjustments before full deployment. Next, internal training is required. It's vital that the team understands how to interact with the SMA and how to maximize its capabilities. It's essential to ensure that all team members are working in coordination. The sixth phase is scalability. Once validated and adopted, the SMA can be integrated across the entire company or its project portfolio. This phase allows the system's impact and benefits to be expanded to a large scale. Understanding realistic timelines is essential for effective planning. Below is an estimate of the timelines for each phase of a typical SMA implementation project. The diagnostic phase typically takes 2 to 3 weeks. This period allows for a deep dive into your operations and a clear definition of project objectives. Data collection and cleaning can vary significantly from 2 to 8 weeks, depending on the quality and volume of your existing data. Proper data preparation speeds up subsequent phases. Agent development is the most time-intensive phase, with an estimated duration of 8 to 16 weeks. This is where the system's logic and intelligence are built, which requires considerable effort. The pilot test typically takes between 4 and 6 weeks. This time is crucial for validating system performance in a real-world environment and making any necessary adjustments before deployment. Internal training is a shorter phase, lasting approximately 2 weeks. It focuses on ensuring your team is ready to operate and benefit from the new system. Finally, the scalability phase can last from 4 to 8 weeks. This period allows for gradual and effective integration of the SMA into other areas of your business. In total, the implementation time for a multi-agent system ranges from 4 to 7 months, depending on the company's commitment to its implementation. It's important to note that the tangible benefits of the system often become visible during the pilot phase, validating the early investment. Investing in a multi-agent system is a strategic decision that requires a clear understanding of the costs involved. Here are some guidelines for typical costs. Technological development represents approximately 30% of the total budget. This item covers the creation and configuration of agents and the system infrastructure. Data preparation and cleaning is a significant investment, amounting to approximately 25% of the total cost. Its critical importance justifies this allocation, as data quality directly impacts SMA performance. Cloud licenses or platforms make up approximately 20% of the budget. This includes access to the tools, software, and infrastructure services necessary for the system's operation. Internal training represents approximately 15% of the investment. Ensuring your team is well-trained is critical to maximizing the return on investment from the SMA. Finally, Annual maintenance is estimated at 10% of the budget. This item covers updates, technical support, and ongoing system optimization. It's important to note that the first year of implementation represents the most significant investment, considered an initial expense. However, the cost for subsequent projects decreases dramatically. This is due to the ability to utilize components, established infrastructure, and the company's objectives. Costs are proportional to the size and complexity of your business, allowing for adaptation to various business scales. The successful implementation of a multi-agent system is not a one-off effort. It requires robust cross-functional collaboration. The involvement of various departments and roles is critical to ensuring a smooth and effective integration. Among the key departments and roles, we highlight the PV or BEST technicians, who provide technical knowledge and data specific to their systems. Their experience is vital to the accuracy of the SMA. The Legal and Compliance Department is essential to ensuring that the system operates within current regulations and standards. Its oversight ensures the legality and ethics of operations. The Finance Department plays a crucial role in the project's economic analysis, assessing its viability and return on investment. Its perspective ensures alignment with the company's financial objectives. The IT and digitalization team is responsible for system integration and data security. Their technical expertise ensures a robust and secure implementation. Finally, management is essential for strategic decision-making and resource allocation. Their commitment and leadership are key to the overall success of the project. It's essential to convey that what's required is a commitment to collaboration, not necessarily a large team. Effective communication and alignment of goals among these stakeholders are the foundation for successful SMA implementation. Implementing a multi-agent system with artificial intelligence represents a unique investment that offers indefinite scalability. Its benefits go beyond automation, transforming the way your business operates and grows. One of the core benefits is reusability. Data and models developed in initial projects can be reused and adapted for future projects. This optimizes resources and accelerates new implementations. Adaptability is another key advantage. Agents can adapt to new projects and scenarios without the need for a complete overhaul. Its modular design allows for exceptional flexibility. SMA enables faster analysis. New projects can be analyzed and evaluated with unprecedented speed, accelerating decision-making and responding to market opportunities. Significant efficiency gains are achieved. The system dramatically reduces repetitive and manual tasks, freeing your team to focus on strategic, higher-value activities. This leads to scalable intelligence. Your company can scale its analytical and decision-making capabilities without having to proportionally increase its workforce. Intelligence becomes a multiplying asset. In short, an SMA not only optimizes processes, but also enhances your company's strategic capabilities. It's an investment that grows with your business, offering sustainable competitive advantages in the short, medium, and long term. We've covered the key phases, timelines, costs, and benefits of implementing a multi-agent system with artificial intelligence for due diligence. We hope you have a clearer and more practical understanding of this transformative process. Implementing an SMA is a strategic investment that offers efficiency, scalability, and a lasting competitive advantage. It's the path to a smarter, more adaptable operation.